Okay, so we're going to do a test cut and adjust the blade on the machine. We want to do this because there's no point running a job without knowing that it's going to cut it out well, otherwise you're just wasting material and time and everything else. So blade adjustment on the main screen, cutting test is right there, press execute. It will perform the cutting test or the test cut. It can be quite tricky to find on the white material. So aim for the spot on the edge guard, should be about where it is. And you want to weed that out, either using a sharp object, a weeding tool, in this case a knife. Now this one, a little bit tricky to get hold of, a bit tricky to weed out, so I think we're going to make an adjustment on this and increase the pressure on the cut slightly. Same menu, just further down, blade force, increase it a couple of points, not too much. Click save and then execute. What we're looking for the outer circle and the inner square to be cut. They weed out easy, there's good definition between the two, there's no rounded corners on the square section which could indicate an issue with your blade. The backing paper should be slightly scored but not cut through the backing paper. That's what you're aiming for out of this. That should be a perfect test cut. And remember, if you are laminating a job and putting it back in, you will absolutely have to do this because you've got an extra layer to consider.